Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you if your messenger is not opening, how you can fix that. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, head to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have. And over there, you have to search for Messenger and check if there is any update regarding Messenger is available. Try to update the application to its latest version. Alright, so after updating, the second thing you need to do is to go back and then hold your Messenger application and go to app info. And once you're there, now you have to go to storage usage and click on clear cache. So it will basically clear all the corrupted cache memory of your Messenger. And after that, simply relaunch your Messenger and most probably your problem will be fixed. Here you can see. So if you're still facing the same problem, I'll show you the alternate way to use the Messenger is to go back again to your Play Store, and there you have to search for Facebook Lite and simply download Facebook Lite to your device. And Facebook Lite basically has a feature that gives you a default messenger in the application. So you can use the messenger over here instead of downloading another version of messenger. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon, bye.